And this year's theme is Revival of Environment, a Hope for Tomorrow, with a subtheme of Revival of Herbal Medicines. Keeping this theme in mind, we organized a workshop on herbal medicines. Many schools took part in the workshop and gained valuable insights. Resource persons gave hands-on demos on how to utilize medicinal plants to create medicines for treating common ailments. Our main objective in organizing this grand festival of plants and flowers is to create awareness among the people that conserving environment and nature is a fundamental duty of every individual on earth. We are part of nature, and it is our natural responsibility to nurture it and make this planet a better place to live.